Okay, again, let's change the given mixed fraction to improper fraction. Improper fraction, because improper fraction is another way of expressing the mixed fraction. Therefore, mixed fraction is a fraction that has a whole number with proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction which has lower numerator relative to its denominator. That means when numerator less than denominator. Therefore, when we change this one to improper fraction, we have to multiply this and add the multiply numerator denominator by whole number and add with the numerator 2 times 7 plus 5 over 7. 2 times 7 becomes 1/4 plus 5 over 7. It becomes 1/9 over 7. Again, 1 and 1/3 means 1 times 3 plus 1 over 3, which is equal to 1 times 3 becomes 3 plus 1 over 3, and it means 3 plus 1 becomes 4 over 3. 4 over 3. 4 over 3. Again, three times, it means 3 times 8 plus 3 over 8. 8. Again, 3 times 8 becomes 24 plus 3 over 8. This means 24 plus 3 becomes 27 over 8. 8. Again, 10 and 3/5 becomes equals to 10 times 5 plus 3 over 5. That means 10 times 5 becomes 50 plus 3 over 5. Again, 50 plus 3 becomes 53 over 5. Again, how we change the given improper fraction to mixed one? Let's changing improper fractions to mixed fraction. 1 70 over 6. That means divide 70 by 6. 70 by 6. 7 by 1 by 6. 1. 1 times 6 becomes 1 times 6, 6, and 7 minus 6 becomes 1, 10. 10. Again, 10 by 6 becomes 1. 1 times 6 becomes 6. 10 minus 6 becomes 4. It is remainder. Therefore, we have to write as a whole number. That means the quotient 11 and 4 must be divided by 6 again. That means 11 and 4 over 6. Okay. 2. 55 over 3. Let us use log division method as we did before. 3. 5 by 3, it becomes 1 times 3 becomes 3 minus 3. 5 minus 3 becomes 2. 2 can't be divisible to 3. Therefore, we have to put down 5 as 5, it becomes 25. 25 by 3 becomes 7 times 21, 8 times 24. Yeah, 8 times. 8 times. 8 times. 8 times. Okay. 8 times. 8 times 3 becomes 24. 25 minus 24 becomes minus 1. Sorry, 1. It is the remainder again. And 55 over 3 becomes 18 and 1 over 3. 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 Let's do another example. As 3. 86 over 21. That means 86 is greater than 21, therefore it's improper fraction. How we change to a mixed one? 86 by 21. 3 times it becomes 63. 4 times 5 times 4 times 5 times it becomes 5 21 105. Therefore we have to give 4 times 21 becomes 84 minus 6 minus 4 becomes 2. 8 minus 8 0. It is the remainder. Again 86 over 21 is equals to, in the ways of mixed fraction, 4 and 2 over 21. Number 4, 75 over 6. Okay, this is divided again by long division method by 6. How many times? 1 times 6 plus 6. 7 minus 6 becomes 1 and 5 15. 2 times 6 becomes 12. 15 minus 12 becomes 3. It is remainder. Therefore 75 over 6 becomes, when you change into improper fraction, it becomes 12 and what? 3 over 12. Again it is proper fraction, it is whole number. It is proper fraction, it is whole number. Therefore a number which is always expressed in the forms of proper fraction and whole number is mixed fraction. Thank you.